Hi everyone, welcome to BIMGuru. In this video, we'll discuss about blend command and Revit, how we can use the blend command while creating Revit families in Revit. So let's start. Right now, I created a dummy Revit project for this particular session. I'll go with the file option right there because I want to create a new Revit family. So I'll click on new family and I'll select a Revit family template. So I'll go with metric generic model. You can choose any of them like ceiling based element, something like that, but I'll go with metric generic model as of now. And now, what I wanted to create is I wanted to create a supply air diffuser. Whether it is rectangular or round, we'll discuss both the things in this particular session. So, for example, right now at the reference level, it means I'm looking from the top. We have elevations things right there. So if you want to check from the side, any of the side, you can go with the front, back, left, right, something like that. It depends what you want to create. Right now, I want to create a diffuser, and we know that diffuser, for example, if I want to create the diffuser, I have to create some kind of the family creation should be from the top. So I'll create that one. If you are creating something that is based on your side view, you can choose the side view while creating the blank, while creating the commands, whatever you are using. Okay. So as of now, let's go with the blend command then. I'll click on blend command. Now this kind of user interface will be important. First of all, let's go parallelly. For example, I want to make it parametric. So let's go like that way. I'll create some reference planes right there. One horizontal, one vertical, and I'll mirror this one parallelly this one as well. Make it parametric as of now so that we can parallelly go by that way. Perfect. I'll create one dimension right there and one dimension right there. I want to make it 600. Okay, first of all, let me I think it'll not move, but like that way. It's 800 and now I'll make it 600. Fine. This one as well. 400, 800 and K. Fine. So I have made 600 by 600. The dimension we can change later. I'll tell you how we can change it. Okay, first of all, let's go in that scenario as well. I'll go with the instance parameter. You can go with the shade or something like that. Right now, I'm going with the family parameter only. I have already created what is the difference in between family parameter, shade parameter, and global parameter. You can check that video as well. So as of now, let's go with um, what I can say diffuser width. Okay, I'll copy this one. Okay, and this alignment diffuser length. Okay, fine. Now I can change it to whatever I want, and right there 600, 700. Like if I want to make it 700, and click that one, apply, it'll change. Okay, but as of now, I'll go with 600 only. Okay, now this is fine. Let's go in front view because we want that the neck will be at some offset, right? So what I'll do, I'll create one reference plane right there as well. It's some height. I'm not sure what height it should be taken, but let's go with 200 mm height. So select this one. Let's make it 200. Sorry, 200, and let's give the diffuser height, right? Fine. And now what's pending? One more thing is pending: the neck, the round neck. Correct. So what I'll do is that Uh, that'll decide later. Okay, fine, no worries. First of all, let's create one rectangle. So I'll go with the blend command. Right now we have two things in blend command, the top and base. So right now we are at base creation thing, because right now you can see create blend base boundary. So we know that the rectangle will be the base. I'll lock it so that it will not move. Fine. Now I'll click on edit top, so that will create the top. I'll click on circle because we are going with what we can say round neck. Round duct will be connected at the neck. Now the dimension of the duct will be like, for example, I want to connect 200 dia duct with it. So I'll go with 100 radius in this scenario, so that it will be 200 dia. Now I'll click on fine mode. Now if I'll go with the 3D, you can see this is our kind of dummy divisor. Let's make it fine. Solid curve, whatever you want to see. Fine, it'll look like this. If I'll go in front view, now I'll align this one with this and I'll lock it. Fine. Now if I'll go with the reference plane again. I did not give the diameter for this particular neck, correct? Parametric thing I'm talking about. So let me go with that way. I'll make it di dimension diameter, fine, 200 diameter, and I want to give the parameter to this one, duct diameter. Fine, okay, perfect, and finish. And I'll what we can say, is it loadable as of now? Let me think. If something is pending, we already given the boundary to this one. We have given this one, but we did not. Did we lock? Yeah, fine. We already locked it. Fine. Now, if I'll come up with the let's what we can say, what's pending? Yeah, connector definitely. Because right now, if I'll place this one into Revit, then this will not be what we can say. Duct will not be directly connected with this one. Yeah, we can align, but it will not connect. Why? Because we did not provide any duct connected to this one. So let's provide a duct connected to this one. I'll go with the create uh, tab right there, and I'll click on duct connector. There are two options: face or work plane. Right now, work plane are different, so I'll not go. Sorry, face are different, so I cannot go with the face command. I'll click on work plane. It'll ask me which work plane you want to go with. So if you already given the names, you can search right there, but I did not give, so let's go with the pickup lane. I'll pick the circle. There will be rectangular duct connectors right there. I'll select this one, go in the property, shape, I'll go with the round, but round is also bigger. So what I'll do, I'll go right there at the diameter, click right there, and I'll go with duct diameter. Fine, all set. Please make sure this is supply air. If you want to change like flow configuration, should be calculated bidirectional, or if you know that this is for out or in, something like that, you can go with that one. So that's fine as of now. And loss method not defined. Like these are the designs options. So if you want to go with that one, you can go with that one. But our family is created. Let's load into the project. Yeah, so it's right there. So let's place. Fine, I have placed the one. Now, as I told you, we can have the connectors. So if I want to create a 200 duct, I can create, and let's go with the elevation 600 apply. Yeah, it's applied. I'm not sure if band is right there. Yeah, band is not right there in the particular template. But if you'll see, that duct is connected with this particular diffuser. Let's go shade it. Why it is showing in this gun? Because it's generic model. So let's change the category. So I want to make it mechanical equipment or a terminal. I'll go with 8 terminal, load into the project. Fine. Yeah, no, that's fine. Our do we have what we can say? Uh, the flag struct. Let's check. Sorry, not this one. Do we have flag struct connection? Let's go with 600. Sorry, not the diameter. Let's connect like that way. I'm in 3D, so it's quite confusing. But yeah. So now you can see we already let me check that one. Yeah. So we have connected that 200 mm diode duct with this one. Also, if we want to change the what we can say, the width or height of a particular diffuser, definitely you can change that one as well. Right now you can see there are three options: height, length and width, and diameter. Okay, I want to make it for example 600. I'll go with that one, but there will be a what we can say, what we call it, str, round to square to round or something like that, because we already connected the duct with it, so that is why it is going with str. Okay, now because this 200, let's make it 600, then there will not be any what we can say, connector. Actually the flag struct is not visible, but you can see it's connected with that one. Okay, now that's the first case. For example, I want to change the height and width. We can also manage, like for example, I wanted to go with 1200 by 1200 diffuser. We can go with that one as well. Okay, the same diffuser, but we can go with that one as well. So that is how we can utilize the same diffuser family with parametric features for different kind of dimensions. We have created this one by using blend command. There are more features in blend command. Let's go with that one. For example, you wanted to create a round diffuser, but you have given the base as what you can say, rectangle. Now you want to change the thing in this one only. What you can do, click on that one, edit base, and you can simply delete the base and you can go with round. Fine. The same thing you have to do is that you have to give the dimension 602, but let's go with 602 or make it 600 then. Fine. Now I'll select this one. I'll go with diffuser dia, correct? Dia, make it instance. Load this one into the project. First of all, finish it. Load into the project. And I'll change. Fine. The same thing will be right there. And in this case, you can change, like you want to make it 1200 mm, you can go with that. Got it? So we can use the blend command for both the scenarios. In our next video, we'll discuss about which command. We'll discuss about revolve command. Okay. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.